In chapter 4, the next module we are going to learn is fitness assessment. In this module, we will learn about BMI, body mass index, WHR, waist hip ratio, and skin fold caliper. A fitness assessment is a series of measurements that helps to understand our physical fitness. To develop and establish an effective fitness program, these assessments are very important. Fitness tests are the tools that we use to take assessments. By conducting different tests, we assess the fitness level of a person. BMI, WHR or waist hip ratio, skin fold calipers are very popular indirect methods in assessment of obesity or body mass or fat level of a person. Body mass index or BMI. It is the indirect method to assess the fat body mass of a person. Ideal body weight in proportion to height can be calculated by this method. It is a measure of body fat based on your weight in relation to your height. It is more of an indicator than a direct measurement of a person's total body fat. As the BMI score increases, the person's total body fat increases. BMI is just a way of measuring whether a person's weight is healthy or not. The full form of BMI is body mass index. Let us know more about BMI. What is BMI? BMI is only one measure of a person's overall health. BMI relates height and weight to indicate the degree of body fat. It is a better predictor of health risk than weight alone. The formula is most accurate for adults who are not bodybuilders, competitive athletes, and pregnant or breastfeeding women. BMI is determined by calculating the weight in kilogram divided by the height in meter square. Calculate BMI. BMI is equal to weight in kilogram divided by height in meter square. As we discussed earlier, we have to find the result by using this formula. Then based on a table which is given, you can find out whether you are underweight, normal weight, overweight or obese. If your score is below 18.5, you are underweight. If your score is falling in between 18.5 to 24.9, you are normal weight. If your score is falling in between 25 to 29.9, you are overweight. If your score is above 30, then you are obese. Next, we are going to learn about WHR or waist hip ratio. It can be also called as waist to hip ratio. Waist to hip ratio is a ratio of a person calculated by dividing the waist measurement by hip measurement. In simple word, it is a measurement of the waist to hip. It is calculated by dividing waist circumferences by hip circumferences. Waist circumference is measured at narrowest part of the waist and hip circumferences is measured at the widest part of the hip. WHR determines how much fat is stored in your waist, hip and buttocks. This is calculated as waist measurement, that is W, divided by hip measurement, that is H. This smaller the ratio, the better your health. As the table indicates, health risk can be calculated like this. In men, if the score is below 1.0 and in women the score is below 0.85, you are in high risk category. If your score in men, the score is 0.90 to 1.0 and in women the score is 0.80 to 0.85, you are at moderate risk. And if the score is above 0.90 in men and above 0.80 in women, you are at low risk. Skin fold calipers. The image on the right hand side shows an equipment that is called skin fold calipers. A skin fold caliper is used to assess the skin fold thickness so that the prediction of the total amount of body fat can be made. This method is based on hypothesis that the body fat is equally distributed over the body and that the thickness of the skin fold is measured for hypodermic fat. Calipers work by pulling subcutaneous fat, that means the fat directly under the skin, away from the muscle with the apparatus. We use different part of the body. We take measurement from different parts of the body to find out the fat deposition in the body. We can see them in men, chest, abdomen and thighs. Women, triceps, waist and thighs are the common areas used to measure by using the skin fold caliper apparatus or equipments. It is believed that approximately half of the total amount of fat tissue in the human body is located below the surface of the skin. So the assessor, using the forefinger and the thumb, grasps the area that he want to assess and use skin fold caliper to measure. He hold the skin fold caliper in that position for 3 to 4 seconds and he takes 3 measurements for accuracy. After taking measurements, we can apply any one of these following formula to get the result. There are different formulas available and you can choose the best according to your convenience. Hope you are clear with BMI, WHR and skin fold calipers. Let us work on the given questions. Thank you very much.